welcome to another edition of Einstein Ages tutorial. In this edition of the tutorial, we're going to see how to make a concrete fascia, just like what you are seeing on the screen. If you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly go to the subscribe button, click on the button, like, share our videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification for our subsequent videos. So to begin with, we are to draw a basic floor. So we'll use our walk command. Ensure you are on level 1, and before drawing your walls, ensure you change the top constraint to level 2 so as to prevent the wall going beyond the topmost level, which is our level 2 in this case. So quickly you draw your wall. The length of the walls are not to dimension. I'm just drawing a rough sketch. So have something like this. We go this way and this way, and finally we join the wall. Ensure you press escape so that you will not have wall elsewhere. That means you are pressing escape twice. So with that being done, you go to your level 2. At your level 2, we said we want to draw our concrete fascia. So you go to component, you click, then go to model in place, you click on OK. You can decide to rename what's here, but I'll just click OK in this case. With that done, we click on our sweep command. Take note of it, sweep, not swept blend, sweep command. We click on it, then we go to our sketch part. On our sketch part, ensure you take note of what I'm doing here, because it's very important. It can affect the outcome of your work. So you click on the very first point. As you can see, I'm going anti-clockwise, not clockwise, anti-clockwise. So you go this way, you go this way, go this way, like that, and finally like this. With this being done, come and click on your finish. So it brings out this. Then you click on your edit profile. On your edit profile, select elevation knot, then click on open. So it's going to give you something like this, and this is where we will draw our concrete fascia. So on your concrete fascia, you need to, some portion of it needs to rest on your wall. So that portion, I think I'll just take 200 mm. You can decide on your own discretion. So you pick it to this side, 200 mm. So you determine the height of your concrete fascia. I think I want my own to be 600. So I'll put it like this, 600. So you go out, from this point to this point is 200. You can see it on the screen. So plus the roof overhang, which is also about 600 mm. That means I'm going out 800 mm. So I'll enter my dimension as 800. So I click on enter. So the type of concrete fascia you want to draw all depends on you, but in this tutorial I'm going to make it as simple as possible. So we are going to just go down 50. Let's go this direction, 50. Let's come down 50. In again, let me zoom. 50. You go down 50. You go in 50. Come down 50. I think that's okay. In that direction, I'll right click and cancel, then come down again. I'll click on this dot, come outside 50, go up 50, come outside again, let's say 50, up 50, have something like this, 50 again, then up, I have 50, then I can decide to join it this way. So ensure you click on your escape twice. With that, you see you can have the shape of your concrete fascia. So this is how the edge of the concrete fascia is going to look like. So you click on finish to finish it up, then you click on finish again to form your concrete fascia. Afterwards, don't forget, if you didn't click the finish model, it won't exit this mode. So you click on finish model. After clicking your finish model, you can go back and check your drawing in 3D. So you have it something like this. So to see only your concrete fascia, let's just select all, let's filter, let's hide the walls. So say okay, no. Next we select, let's see, filter, let's select only our walls, then right click. After right clicking, go to hide in view, then select category, and we have only our fascia. So it's as simple as it gets. With that, you've done your concrete fascia. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to encourage us to make more videos like this. Like, share our videos with your friend, and most importantly, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notifications for our forthcoming video. Actually, this video was aimed at teaching you the concrete fascia, so that when you get to the part 2 of our long Revit in 15 minutes, you'll be able to walk through it easily. Thank you for watching. I stand AJ. See you next time.